What's going on, guys? Hope all is well. I'm in Lower Westchester County right now. I'm in New Rochelle, New York. I'm going to a no heat call. It's a nasty day out. It's just rain and cold, but no ice. I'm going to a no heat call. Right now, it's like an hour away. But hope all is well. Let's see what it is when we get there. First, real quick, guys, I gotta stop and I gotta throw an aquastat in a hydrostat in a boiler. It's mechanical. That's it. Yeah, it's simple. No more snow. This rain washed it all away. Sorry, I think next Thursday we're supposed to get like a nor'easter. Hopefully it's snow and not rain. People think nor'easter, they always think snow, but I think it's supposed to be snow. Set screw, pull it out, wire it up, and set it to 180 like that one is. Power's off. Set screw. I'm going to set it to 180, and then these have different wire Molex connectors at the end, so I'm going to cut them, throw some new connectors, and then wire it up. This looks like it was underwater at one time. It's crazy. That water heater sounds like it's got, or they have some hard water. It sounds like popcorn. I don't know if that's, oh no, actually, hold on. That's not even, that's the damper right here. The actual, the louver's inside. It's like vibrating. That one. Might be that one. No, it's this one. Okay, hear it. It's been running 10 minutes, 15 minutes. 35 for them. Okay, check this one here. 35. And this one doesn't have one for the basement. Doesn't need one. I don't know why, but it doesn't have one. Apparently. Okay, so let me grab this. now I'm gonna go to this no heat call. Let's see what it is. I don't know if it's a boiler. I don't know if it's a furnace, heat pump. I don't know what it is. We've never been here, according to my history, which is pretty accurate. But if I had to guess, in Lower Westchester County, well, you can't, there's just no way to guess, but I'm gonna say a boiler, but I have no idea. Yo, Sid Harvey's right here. These shoe covers are nice. They're like...
Interestingly enough, this...
Boy. It's a furnace. Okay, so can I go to the furnace? Well, the heat rises, so let's start with the downstairs to make sure it's working. Wow. Unbelievable. All right. Make sure that's down so I can tell which one is running. Oh, yeah. That's fine, I guess. All right. Thank you. All right, now I'm going to go downstairs. Okay. This will be our culprit, I guess. It's not working. Sounds like it's working to me. So she has no heat. Let's see if the fan's working. It's 2011. I don't like that smell. 2010 on the furnace. Indoor fan's working. Furnace is working fine. Let me just go through the igniter and the flame sensor and then see if I can't duplicate the issue. To me, that's a nuisance call. When did you feel that it wasn't heating? Last night? Today?
I have to tell you, Paul, for 48 hours,
Okay.
the house was freezing.
Okay. And then it started to warm up?
And my daughter down in Maryland, who's pretty smart, I didn't know whether it's this machine or what.
Well, I know it's this machine because I just called for heat and I turned the other one to off.
So, can you teach me how to take care of it if it happens again, or is this something you have to take care of?
I probably shouldn't do that because we have to be licensed to work on this.
For some reason, I came down this morning, and it still said 55 degrees.
Yeah.
And little by little,
It
went to
creeped up.
54.
Okay, well, what I'm going to do is check to make sure the ohms on the igniter are correct, to make sure this flame sensor is clean, because sometimes it could be an intermittent problem. It could be a bunch of things. But I'm going to try to duplicate the problem. I'm going to try to get it. I'm not going to try to do anything to it, but I want to make sure it's working for you. I'm going to clean this pressure port. Let me just do a quick... the filter I'm going to check to make sure it's not going off on high limit. It could be a couple of things. I'm going to go through it for about 20 minutes, if that's okay.
Yeah.
And then I'll see. And then when I start it up, I'll try to start it a few times to see if I can't or I can duplicate the issue.
Well, definitely, you're going to be able to fix me, aren't you?
It's working.
Oh.
That's what I'm saying.
Well, how did it get up to 64 but then stopped? Because I have it set at about 72.
Yeah, well, we'll see. We're going to find out.
Okay.
Okay? But it was 55 last night, you said?
It's been
Or this morning?
It was 55 for 2 full days.
And then it came up to 64.
And I had to put all kinds of blankets on me.
Okay. So let me see, okay? I'm going to do a couple things here. Clean the flame sensor. It's really just people should just get maintenance done. These calls suck. $55 ohms. Could have went off on high limit. And I do not have one on the truck. Pooch! That's her name. Sorry. Do you have any extra filters here? That's
I've been up there a long time.
gonna work perfect. That's the exact size that I need. 50 to 80 degree temp rise. 110,000 BTUs. Check my amp draw in a second on this inducer too. some rollout when the fan kicks on. And then we're gonna check our temp. Rise. This inducer's failing. You could hear it. And it's like, yep, it's kicking out. Let me check the amp draw on it. But this is gonna need a new inducer. That's gonna be her issue. Her inducer just stopped and shut off the system. See, it's going, look, it just shut down. Yep. Her inducer shung God. So I'm gonna run it again, start it, but you can see it's not even spinning. It's here. See? It's locked out. I'm gonna throw some, oh, there it goes a little. Yeah, I'll throw some WD-40 on it to get it through the night, if it will. But this thing's shit in the bed. There it goes now. Check my amp draw again. It's like 9.5. It just jumped up to. Damn. Bro. Yeah. She's running. Let me write this up and see if we can return today or Monday. I'd like to get it on film. Well, like I said, I'm glad that I went through the operations for her and didn't just say, oh, you have heat when I got here, and then left. And the guy on call tonight would have to come. God, you know, I hate doing that. I'm glad we went through the system. Call the supply house, got a price. I gotta go quote her right now. And the part's in stock, so we'll change it by Monday. They'll overnight it, I guess Monday or Tuesday. But like I said, she's got another furnace. She'll be heating. It's just out of Albany, New York, so it won't be coming. I won't be getting it today, that's for sure. All said, I ordered the part for her. They shipped it overnight from Monday, so Monday we'll be back to replace that for her. It's literally 3 screws, I think, and then we'll do final testing and all that. It's running right now. I put a little WD-40 on it, and I think she's gonna be all right. I showed her where the disconnect is to turn it off and on if it goes into like a 3-hour lockout. But she's gonna be good. Let me see if there's another call.